Introducing epubtest, evaluations of reading apps for accessibility. EPUB is the most accessible publishing format yet, but to enjoy ebooks and other publications at their best, we need to know which reading apps have the features that we rely on. When it comes to people with disabilities, which reading apps will enable you to excel at your studies or to provide a great reading experience when enjoying the latest novel? The DAISY Consortium leads an initiative for evaluating reading apps and devices. It's hosted at the website epubtest.org. There are three main areas on the site: Results, Test Books, and Participate. Results is where you can find information about the different evaluations that have been completed, arranged in a convenient table. The first column lists the test environment, which comprises the name of the reading app or device, assistive technology, and the platform, Windows or Android, for example. Across the row for each evaluation, very brief summary information is provided for each of the test areas, but to learn more, you need to go into the test report by selecting the test environment you're interested in. Let's take a look at the results for the app Simply Reading. The tests are arranged in sections such as basic functionality, non-visual reading, visual adjustments, and so forth. For each test, there's an ID, name, and a description. Then the test result is displayed and also notes. Now, we encourage our testers to provide these since people say they're really helpful for understanding the experience better, and it makes it easier to replicate any issues. Use the test results to learn more about the reading apps, especially for the features that matter most to you. For example, someone with dyslexia will probably be most interested in visual adjustments and read aloud, whereas someone who's blind will be keen to know about the test's basic functionality and non-visual reading tests conducted with a screen reader. Now, the evaluations are all completed with carefully produced EPUB files, which we can find on the website under Test Books. We review reading systems in the four fundamental areas: basic functionality, including starting the reading system and opening the titles, navigating the content, searching, and using bookmarks and notes. In non-visual reading, we evaluate the reading experience with a screen reader, sometimes with a refreshable braille display. Tests include continuous reading, pause and resume, correct reading order, reviewing alt text, table and hyperlink navigation. Under visual adjustments, our tests include changing the font and text size, colours and brightness. We look at compatibility with magnification utilities and support for high contrast and images. For read aloud, we start, pause and resume the read aloud feature. We check the reading order, punctuation support, and any visual emphasis of the spoken text. You're free to download any or all of these standardized test books. Our testing is transparent, and interested people can replicate the tests themselves. Which brings us to the last of the areas of the website, Participate. Here there's information about becoming involved as a tester. More than 60 people from many countries and with different individual needs have signed up as testers from this page. When we hear from you, we'll send you a friendly email and we'll support and guide you if you choose to help us help app developers make better apps. The tests we use are developed by and with people with reading disabilities. So if you think we're missing something that's important to you, please feel free to write to us at epubtest@daisy.org. In the meantime, we hope you find www.epubtest.org helpful when choosing a favourite reading app for EPUB books, articles, and other publications. This video was created with support from the Government of Canada's Social Development Partnerships Programme Disability Component. The opinions and interpretations in this video are those of the creator and do not necessarily reflect those of the Government of Canada.